Okay, so with Piskel, I'm going to show you how to import things and export things. Okay, so if you want to bring in a GIF that you've downloaded, you can go over to import here. You can find the GIF file. You can browse it. Here's a few I downloaded earlier, and then you can open them. You get this option, and then we want to import it as a sprite sheet. Matteo, can you be quiet? Because I'm trying to record a tutorial. Okay, and now that is going to be in said tutorial. So now I have my GIF in there that's all frame by frame. What I massively recommend you do is you reduce any GIFs down to 10 frames. As you can see, doing that, you're not really going to impact it too much as long as you're strategic with it. Just for speed's sake, I'll get it down to 15, but I recommend you try and get it down to 10 so it's not too big a file. Then when you've done it, you've edited frames and things like that, you might have some other things going on. You can then export that. I massively recommend you delete this. You do not want that name there. You download it as a zip file. We click that. It will then download here for you. You can then show in folder. Now the way it works is because it's so many images, it zips them up. So you can't actually do anything with those images yet. You have to extract them. So then we extract them and we browse and we select our images folder. And then you put it in a folder of your choosing. Here's one I did earlier called GIF. But you have to create your own folder and then select and extract them to that folder. You will then see that all those images will be extracted to that folder, ready for you to then code into MuCode. Okay, so 2 quick skills in one there. I hope that's useful.